JMC Performance, the best in the business. They know Finn Mopars like the back of their hands. They are basically going to take Christine. She's been hibernating for 2 years after getting her new paint, and her mortal caretaker is obviously mortal now because he's got 2 kids, and they're a handful. So he is entrusted with one of my kids, I guess, as you can call her, or she owns me, one of the two. But they've been doing Mopars for quite a while. They know what they're doing. They are the best. They know about all this little mastic and all the stuff that these old Chryslers need so that the water doesn't get into them again, which is what caused them the rust originally when they... So there you go. So next time you see her, she'll be looking brand new. Thanks, John.